What the hell is going on? My God, I'm sitting here and all of a sudden I almost get run over. It's nice and cool out. Everybody's feeling all spunky. Oh, Mooney's got a mohawk. Why is everybody picking on Mooney this morning? Oh! And down she goes in a cloud of dust. Oh, she's gonna get spicy. Mooney. Mooney's got a full-on mohawk. Mooney! Tell Sonny no. There you go. Tell Sonny no. That's right. Oh, a lot of teeth. Oh, that's a lot of teeth. Oh, Mooney's showing everybody her teeth now. She got mad. That's the thing. Mooney's sweet until you get her mad. And then she gets her mohawk and she gets mad and then, oh, she's mad. Huh, like Nick, watch out. You don't want to get Mooney mad. She gets a mohawk and she's mad and then everyone's in trouble except Cooey. Mooney. Mooney, Mooney. But she loves me the most. Come here, Mooney. Come here, Mooney. Mooney. Mooney, Mooney, Mooney. Come here. Mooney. Mooney, come have coffee with me. Icknig. You got puppies splashing in the water. Cooey's already in snooze mode. Sonny is prowling around looking for trouble. And Mooney's taking the high point. Hi, Mooney. That's Mooney's boyfriend, Icknig. Good boy, Noonie. At least he's peeing outside for a change. That's a bonus. Noonie really likes to pee right in front of our refrigerator for some reason. Little boy, 3 months old.